The beauty and richness of its natural resources made central Sulawesi, especially Palu city, confident and optimistic of its future. More than just a transit city, Palu had also established itself as a charming tourist destination. However, on September 28, 2018, that beautiful dream was dashed to pieces. A powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake has claimed thousands of lives, devastating large parts of Palu and its surrounding areas. The earthquake, followed by a 1.5-meter tsunami and large-scale liquefaction, naturally made Indonesia grieve, especially for the victims. One of the most affected infrastructures was Mutiara Sis Al Jufri Airport in Palu. Many of the airport facilities were damaged. The ATC tower was on the verge of collapse. The runway cracked up to 500 meters, and lateral spreading fractured a very wide area. This prompted President Joko Widodo to take emergency measures to immediately initiate strategic recovery, especially regarding the airport as the entrance to Palu. Through the Directorate General of Air Transportation of the Ministry of Transportation, the government stepped in to rehabilitate the airport's infrastructures to enable the air transportation services in order to support the economic and tourism recovery of Central Sulawesi and its surrounding areas. Rehabilitation and reconstruction of the transportation sector was carried out in accordance with the Presidential Instruction of the Republic of Indonesia, No. 10 of 2018, regarding the acceleration of rehabilitation and reconstruction of areas affected by the earthquake and tsunami disaster. The government received full support and trust from the Asian Development Bank through the loan EARR program to restore Mutiara Sis Al Jufri Airport, marked by the signing of a cooperation agreement between the two parties. With the main vision of reliable and competitive airport services that provide added values to the community, we are doing our best to rebuild the economy and tourism sector through air transportation by rehabilitating Mutiara Sis Al Jufri Airport of Palu. Don't let yourself sink and drift into adversity. There is always a rainbow after the rain. There is always light after the dark. Their smiles are our strength. Their hope is our reason to do our best for Central Sulawesi and Indonesia.